All right, so I know we've all been waiting for this. Here are the results of the book drawing. And if you're wondering what I did to pick people, first I took and put a number next to everyone's comment who requested the book in the comment section. There were a total of 23 of you, which gives you about a little over almost 5% chance of winning, which is pretty darn good. And then I took the numbers between 1 and 23 and went to a truly random number, internet random number generation site, as you can see here. Then I let it pick a random number, and the random number is number 22. And number 22, as you can see in the comments, is Danny Wilshire. Congratulations, Danny Wilshire. Please send me your contact information via the email address in the comment. And you have a week to respond, or unfortunately, I will have to pick another winner. But I'm sure you'll respond, so congratulations and thanks for playing. And I want to thank everyone else who watches my videos and comments, and I really appreciate the people who are part of this community. Thanks for watching.